Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android phone. So right now, I'll show you the easiest way to easily transfer photos and videos from any iPhone to any Android phone. First of all, make sure your iPhone and your Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. Okay, and then on your iPhone you have to open a browser and open this website snapdrop.net, and do the same thing on your Android phone. Open a browser and open snapdrop.net website, and now on your iPhone screen you will see here your Android phone. Just tap on that and tap on photo library, and now from your gallery you will be able to select any photo or any video to transfer to your Android phone. Once you select it, just tap on add, and on your Android phone just tap on save, and that's it. You have successfully transferred your iPhone photos to your Android phone. So I'm going to my gallery and going to opening my download folder, and here as you can see I've successfully received 2 photos from my iPhone. So this is the easiest way to easily transfer any photos or videos from your iPhone to Android. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.